drama on Animal Planet.
Hello and welcome to It's a Vet's Life.
Later on in the programme, I'll be reporting from Tiggywinkles, one of the most famous wildlife hospitals in the world. Whilst the name may sound quaint, the work being carried out there is anything but.
And here in the surgery, I'll be giving you some tips about handling the most common skin problem, and certainly the most irritable, namely that one caused by fleas. And in Paris, I'll be seeing how the French are dealing with that disease which can still strike terror into all our hearts, rabies. Well, you know, hedgehogs are pretty accident-prone little animals. This one came in about 2 weeks ago, all wrapped up in this green garden plastic netting. Now, I've put it round to show you what it came in like, but it had cut itself with the netting under its arm, and by trying to get out, it nearly garroted itself as the netting twisted into a cord. And it